I want to take a few moments to talk about a concept that we've discussed in class recently called the calculation of percent composition. The idea behind percent composition is when we have a formula for a compound. Let's say that we have something like copper sulfate. Now, copper sulfate, if you look at the reagent container closely, actually has 5 water molecules. So it's copper sulfate pentahydrate. And we want to find out what percent by mass of this compound is due to oxygen, hydrogen, sulfur, and copper. Essentially, what percent of the molecule or the formula unit or the ionic compound is of a certain element. And so what you first want to do, something that we've been doing in class a lot of, is to find the molar mass of CuSO4 5H2O. So when I look at the 5H2O molecules, that mass is 90.0764, because we're talking grams per mole. And the copper sulfate portion is 159.609, again grams per mole. So we get a molar mass of 249.6854. Now what we want to do with this value is to, for example, let's take copper as an example. Copper has a mass of 63.546, and we'll divide that by the mass of the entire compound. 249.6854. So we want to simplify that expression. And we want to convert this to a percent, so I'm going to multiply this by 100. And I'm going to get 25.45%. That's the percent composition of copper. Now, we've been using our Chemtrix app. If I type in CuSO4, I will actually get at the bottom of the screen. So mine is on an iPhone. It might be a little bit different if you have an Android or a Samsung. Mine's on the bottom of the screen, and it shows the percent composition as decimal. So mine reads Cu 25.45. That's 25.45%. The point I'm trying to make is that your app will help you validate your answer. Of course, you don't get to use this on an assessment, but you do get to use it in the context of class. So now we could do hydrogen. We have 10 hydrogens. So that's going to be 10 times 1.0079 over 249.6854 times 100%. And that is going to give us a value of 4.04%. And you continue doing this for every element that is present in a certain compound. All of these percents should add up to 100%. This is how you take a formula and convert it to percent composition of all the elements that comprise that formula.